Hey guys, welcome. And today you're going to learn how to sell on AppSumo. AppSumo is a marketplace for entrepreneurs and also is a place where consumers go to find the best deals for especially softwares, courses, and also ebooks. And so it can be a huge marketplace for us creators to leverage. And now you're on the page of start selling, the sell on AppSumo.com. And one thing I like about AppSumo is that it is not discriminative of who can upload softwares and courses. As long as you have something good to share, as long as you have something good to upload, you're allowed to leverage their inbuilt traffic. Okay, so if you don't know what AppSumo is and how it works, basically you have a software that you have uploaded somewhere else, perhaps on your website or on your store, and then you feel like you need more people, you need more eyeballs on your product. Basically, you come to AppSumo and then you upload it, you create a coupon, and then you link to it and give a discounted version of what you have to offer. And it's simply a marketing technique of basically leveraging the free traffic of AppSumo. And so we're going to learn how to sell on AppSumo, and let's get right into it. Now, one thing I must tell you is you're going to get accepted as long as you have a high quality product. Now, I'm not going to guarantee you sale because that will only depend on the quality of what you have to offer. You are going to have sales if you have something good, if you have a good SaaS service, a good course. And one thing again is that you need to have high quality products before you can escape or pass through the review process, because it takes so long. And so I'll tell an AppSumo. I'll click on start selling here, and then basically what it takes you to the whole inbox of it. So this is it. I've uploaded this and it's still pending review. I just found out about AppSumo and I checked up so many videos on YouTube looking for how to sell on AppSumo, and I found literally none. So I had to make this video for you guys. And so the reason why these two got rejected was basically because they were PLR and I was so lazy to rebrand them at that particular point in time. Okay, you see, doesn't appear to be original content. Okay, now I told you once again, if your product is high quality, you will surely get accepted by AppSumo. Okay, so now products, it takes me back to the marketplace and asks you to list a new marketplace product. And so we're going to be listing it together. Follow the because it has a very easy user interface, and so I don't think you can get in touch with any complications when you're listing your product. You don't have to name your product, so name this on my website, just make it quick for you. And so you need to optimize. This is what's going to guarantee you exposure, because on the other hand, if you're a bestseller and you market your discounted version to your audience and then they buy it, your product gets lifted up in the search engine of AppSumo. But on the other hand, you have to optimize this. Say add categories to help your buyers search for products in the marketplace. And so I'm going to click on anything because I don't know what I'm doing here. 3 categories, right? And so click on that and click on next images. Now for images, your cover image has to be in form of a YouTube thumbnail. I guess it's because the founder is a YouTube creator. If you don't know him, is Noah Kagan. You can go and check out his channel. He's a real online business guru in the sense that he knows what he's doing. So feel free to check out his channel. All the same, you don't need to fear too much because you can literally go to Canva and click on YouTube thumbnail, and this is basically the resolution that's going to appear for you. So make a thumbnail, JPEG and PNG format. And so also you're going to have to create your enticing featured image, and so also you have to put other product image, perhaps the table of contents, the course module, anything, just for people to see the inside before they even get to buy it. Literally, I've been so lazy to put preview images to what I've uploaded, but I think it can really lift your conversion rates because people get to see what they're going to get even before they get it. So it's like it reduces the tension of swiping the credit card because you're swiping it for an unknown purpose. You don't know how it looks inside, but with your preview image you make it less pressurized, if there's something like that. Okay, so I uploaded a cover image. I have a thumbnail in my inbox here. Let's look for it. Thumbnail. Okay, we'll just upload it to quickly get through this process. And so click on next, product copy. For this is an entirely different video for how you can create your sales copy, but I'm going to give you quick tips for you to create a sales copy. Quickly, let's head on to my Google Docs where I created a blog post, and I'll show you some tips that I wrote out for you to create an engaging sales copy or a product description. Okay, and so you can see they said make it relatable. Make what you're talking about relatable. Speak in a language that is literally what your consumer is going to understand. For example, Brandon, in his YouTube video on Ultimate Checklist to Copywriting, he talks about how you can go to communities like Reddit, Quora, any forums also to find out what they're searching for, and literally base off your content off of that. Okay, if people are always searching for how do I raise my pet, how do I take care of my puppy, then you know it's a problem, that you know there's a market for that particular product. And so you know what to write in your sales copy. You can write, do you have problem potty training your dog, or perhaps do you have problem reading for exams? You know it's relatable, it hits them at that particular point where they want it to. Now another thing is to use ShareThrough. ShareThrough is a website that literally allows you to rate the power of your headline. I literally went through using ShareThrough in my video on how to, what was the name? Oh god, how the 4-step process to rebrand any pillar. I'll leave the link in the description, and I showed you how you can make your headline powerful using the rating feature of ShareThrough. Head on to that video and watch it after you watch this video, of course, so you'll be able to know it. You basically write your copy down, and then they tell you what is lacking, your strengths, your weakness, how you can improve, and this and that and that. Okay, and also make sure you check out my copywriting, improving your conversions, because that book I literally go through the checklist, what you need to go through to become a copywriter from scratch as a beginner, because I go through the checklist you need to follow, and it's very beginner friendly, and you can check it out as well. And also you need to do your market research. What do I mean by market research? You need to figure out the need of your target audience. It also relates to being relatable. It's almost the same thing. So you need to do your market research. You need to validate that what you're searching for is actually in demand. Okay, so you put all of the benefits of, you put the needs and how your product tackles the needs. You put that feature in your sales copy or in your description. Okay, you don't need to sell a transformation that you're sure to bring to pass. Perhaps in your product, you can take people from point A to point B. Please make sure it is known. Excuse me, let me load my browser before it closes down. Okay, let's go back. I'm sorry. Okay, so do market research and figure out the needs of your target audience. Sell the transformation. Okay, give a snippet of the overview of what you plan to offer. This also does the work of your preview image, and basically does give the complete thing you're going to give there. If you're going to recommend some other digital products that you're going to buy, perhaps if there is an in-app purchase or an in-course purchase, let them know what they're going to be up for. If you're going to sell them something in your course, let them know what they're going to expect, because it's literally disheartening to buy something and you expect to learn everything, but what you want to learn isn't there. So give an overview to avoid refunds. Okay, so also make it readable and friendly. Ease the tension of swiping the credit card by stating your refund policy. Stop following the scripts. As you're going to read my copywriting like a pro, Ultimate Checklist, make sure you do not follow it back to back. because you need to learn the art of copywriting. You need to feel it, okay? Now, what a good practice to do is actually go onto websites that have made you swipe your credit cards, websites that have been really converting, even landing pages that have made you give up your email address and your privacy. Check out what they did, elements they placed into their sales page that made it really compelling for you. Okay, stack on testimonials in the sense that when you have people that have tried out your product, let them give you their thoughts, honest review on what they feel about your products, and stack it up in your descriptions and build a credibility. If your description allows you to leave a link to your free stuffs, and this can be a good preview for them to go and check out your free stuff and see whether you're a good fit for them. Now we've learned how to build our sales copy and description. Let's run back. Okay, one thing, I'll leave a link to this particular article that I wrote on how to sell on AppSumo. You check it out as well. Okay, so let's go back to submitting our product. And so I'll just click on hey, hi, and I'm good to go. Next person. Okay, so your original price has to be lower. Your AppSumo price has to be lower than your original price. Perhaps I'm selling a high ticket product for $1,000. Now I want to give a discount of $25. Is that possible? Let me know that in the comment section. If you can give a discount like this, I would know you're so generous, and I would like to do you in the comment section. Okay, so aside that, you can you need to write your key features, perhaps in PDF format, checklist format. Let them know. This is another preview. Let them know what you're gaining. If it's the storage, the course modules, number of videos, what you're gonna get, the resources, let them know everything. Okay, so next is the redemption. This is the most technical part of everything that I've listed on. I literally was going smoothly through the whole process, and when I got to this particular process, I was very, what should I call it? I was very tired. I was very sad because it took my time. I didn't know what to do. I had to do research. I had to set it up somewhere. I couldn't find any video that could literally explain from top to bottom what I should do. And I was basically selling a course. I couldn't do a direct download. I almost cried, guys. Anyways, you're gonna get your redemption URL, which is your coupon link. For this, check out my video on how to create a coupon. I'll leave the link in the description to not waste your time here. But what I want to basically tackle here, most importantly, is the CSV upload, because this is basically what took my time. Okay, so you have to upload a file of purchase ready codes. And so how are we going to do that? I'm asking you, how are we going to do that? I tried privy.com, viral loops. I didn't understand anything, so I had to do my own research, and I found a random code generator that allows you to generate codes, of course. Okay, so I think I bookmarked it, hopefully. Nope, I didn't. What? I didn't? Anyways, let's search for it. Okay, I've forgotten the name. Right. Click on random code generator. Okay, when I see it, I would know. When I see it, I would know. Oh no. Okay, this is it. meridianoutpost.com. Yeah, that is it, guys. So this is it. Basically, all you need is your redemption URL, because they're gonna give each of these individual codes, no duplicates, each of it to each buyer, and literally link them to your redemption URL. Because if it's one code, someone can get that code and share it between their friends, and basically people are getting your product for free, and you don't want that. Okay, and so now what you're gonna do is, remember AppSumo said 5,000 to 10,000 purchase ready codes, no duplicates. Okay, so we'll come here and click on 10,000. I'm gonna give them the best. They want 10,000, we'll show them 10,000. And something I love about this tool is that the maximum is 50,000. I saw a tool that literally wanted to strip me off of my money and told me that for just 100 code I could get it for free, but upward I had to pay. Can you imagine that? But you trust me, right? I'm a freebie person, so I had to find a free alternative, and I found it, guys. So this is it. We're gonna make 10,000 unique coupon codes, and so all the others is left for you. You can use uppercase, doesn't matter as long as the code. And click on generate. No. I was supposed to click on generate downloadable CSV file, because remember they asked us for a downloadable CSV file, and that is what we want. What is happening? Okay, you click here to finalize your downloadable CSV. Click to download your CSV. So it comes here, it downloads, you wait for it, waiting for you, be fast. Okay, it's downloaded. Okay, so click on submit, you click on CSV upload here, click on your file, bulk number generator, and it gets accepted for sure. Why is it taking time? Okay, it's here. I can't submit because I don't have my redemption URL. That is left for you. Once you put in your redemption URL, make sure you check out how to create a redemption URL, a coupon code, and you can submit and wait to be reviewed and pray to be accepted onto AppSumo. And once you're accepted, you can always expect to make that sweet money. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.